Good evening, children. Good evening, children. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening, children. Good morning. Good afternoon.
Good evening, sir.
Which paper we are discussing?
Sir.
We are
Sir.
discussing
Good evening, sir.
1982. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, one and all. 1988 paper we are discussing. Okay. 88 now. Nineteen 88 paper needed. Okay, how many of you are completed?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. Good
Very
evening,
good
sir.
evening. Good evening, good evening, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, very good evening. Okay, today we'll discuss Maitreyi Patil.
Okay.
How are you? Maitreyi. After long gap, I think I'm seeing for the first time. Maitreyi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Good, good. Are you ready to read this passage? Passage number 2.
Ready.
Okay, very good. Yes. Put on your video. Keep your mobile horizontally. Okay, very good. Start. Unmute yourself. Wait. Unmute your. Okay, right.
While a minister was inspecting a jail, he saw a young
Culprit.
in a cell of
Prison. Prison means that. Jail.
The minister asked the culprit about the crime he committed. The
Give
prisoner
gap between full stop means sentence ended now. You must give gap between sentences. Okay, start. Start. The prisoner.
I picked it up and took it to home as it was not useful to anybody. The minister was surprised. At the jail,
The answer. You missed one sentence. Correctly considered. Okay. The minister was surprised at this answer. Okay.
Minister was surprised at this answer. The minister was
Sympathetic means we will show sympathy towards those beggars, poor people. Na? Okay. Go ahead.
But towards young prisoner.
Towards the young prisoner. The young prisoner. Okay, right. Fast.
Then he asked the jail superintendent if he is through. that he took only a piece of string. When you jailed
Why
him,
you jailed him? If
when you
it is
jailed,
okay, read. Why you
the
jailed
jail,
him?
why you jailed him? The jail superintendent replied, please ask him what, what was tied with the string. The minister asked the young man, was there anything tied with
With that piece of string?
with a piece of string? The young man immediately said, sir, unfortunately, the cow was tied with the piece of string.
Okay, very good. You need to improve. You also need to improve. Everyone in the class need to improve speed reading and understanding. Okay. I am unmuting you. Next, I will ask randomly questions. What is its mods? I will ask. I will ask my own questions. Now, tell me the total character names in this passage. First of all, I am tomorrow onwards, I will ask randomly, but now onwards, today, just today, you raise your hands. Tomorrow onwards, I will pick randomly. Understood? I will ask my own questions. Okay. Now you may raise your hands. Okay, bonus raise. Tell me the all characters there in this passage. All the characters. Yes, go ahead.
Minister, the young man, minister, young man,
Okay, you tell confidently. Don't feel shy or don't feel somewhat fear. Tell confidently. No problem. You are telling correct only now. Okay, tell once again.
Prisoner, that.
Prisoner. Okay.
Prisoner.
Prisoner. The prisoner replied. The prisoner means the person who is there in the jail, young prisoner. Okay, prisoner. One more. Minister.
Jail superintendent.
Jail superintendent. Jail superintendent. They are given some spelling mistake, but what we call means superintendent. Okay, jail superintendent. Next, prisoner, and one more.
Young man and minister.
Young prisoner and prisoner, all are both are same only, na? Are different. The prisoner replied, I was roaming about in the street when I see the piece of string lying on the road. I picked and took home. It was not useful. The minister was surprised at this answer. The minister was sympathy towards the young prisoner.
Prison.
So, young prisoner and prisoner are both are same only. They have given young prisoner and prisoner to confuse you, confuse us. They have given these both different names. Means they added this young to confuse us. Okay. So there are only three characters in this passage. Only three, na? Prisoner, jail superintendent, and one more. Minister. Okay. I will frame one more question. Okay, very good bonus. You well said. Okay, next next question. Okay, there is first string. Okay, Madhulika is also confident in telling. Okay, I will ask you first. Lakshmi Swanvi, which is tied to string? String. Which one was tied to string? Which one was tied to string? String. Piece of string was tied for something, na? So what is that? Okay, you are not answering. Next, Hamsini, M Hamsini. Which one was tied to string?
Cow.
Okay, very good. Okay, right. We'll go through these questions fastly. When did the minister saw the young man? When he was inspecting jail, when the young man was walking in the street, when the young man was taking the cow, when the young man was picking up the piece of string, When did minister saw the young man? We have to go through this passage. Same sentence we have to pick. When minister was inspecting a jail. Okay, I will unmuting everyone. Tomorrow onwards, I will pick. Or now only I will pick. Wait, this one easiest question. Who is ready? Who is ready? Jen Jashwant, unmute. What's the first answer? When did the minister saw the young man? Jen Jashwant. When did the minister saw the young man? When did the minister saw the young man? Okay. He is not ready, it seems. Are you ready? N. Jashwant. Unmute. N. Jashwant.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When did minister saw the young man? Here, first sentence. While a minister was inspecting a jail, he saw a young culprit in the cell of prisoner. When did minister saw the young man? Tell me the answer. When he was inspecting a jail, when the young man was walking in the street, when the young man was taking the cow, when the young man was picking up the piece of string. What's the answer? Fastly.
Option 1.
Very good. Option 1. Here, you have to pick this. Minister saw the young man. Here also, minister was inspecting jail. He saw the young man. So you have to pick up the words, special words, and you have to understand that sentence, which those words are related to that sentence. Okay. Here, minister was inspecting the jail. He saw the young man. So here, that's why they have given saw the young man. Okay. Saw a young man. Saw the young man. Yes, your answer is absolutely correct. First answer, when he was inspecting jail. But in this, you have to understand, they have given this type of different words to confuse you only. But one is absolutely correct answer. Next, on hearing the first reply of the young man, the minister felt sorry, felt happy, got flattered up, was surprised. This also is absolutely there. Direct question. The prisoner replied, I was roaming about in the street. I saw a piece of string lying on the road. I picked it up and took it home. It was not useful to anybody. The minister was surprised at this answer. What was the answer? And hearing the first reply of young man, where the young prisoner replied, the prisoner replied, this was the first reply. In this, you have to search. I was roaming about in the street when I saw a piece of string lying on the road. I picked it and took it to home as it was not useful to anybody. Here, two apostrophes closed, ended. So here it was stopped, apostrophes. So this is the conveying means reply of prisoner. So from here to here, he ended the sentence. Okay. Now here the minister's opinion will start. The minister was surprised at this answer. Okay, what's the answer? And hearing the first reply of young man, the minister was answer. Okay, I will unmute everyone in the class. Okay, you unmute yourself.
Surprised.
The minister was surprised.
Was surprised.
Option 4.
Sir, option 4. Sir, 4.
Okay, very good.
Sir, option 4.
Option 4. Very good answer.
Sir, option 4.
Okay, next one. To the jail superintendent, the minister said. To the jail superintendent, the minister said, is it justified to imprison the young man? Imprison. Is the piece of string belongs to young man? Release the young man from prison. Is the cow piece of string? What's the answer?
Option 1. Sir, option 1. Option 4, sir.
If it is that he took only piece, why you jail him? Why you jail him?
Option 4.
Okay. Is the cow tied with the piece of string? No, he didn't ask like that.
Option
Wait.
4.
Option 4. Option 4 is absolutely wrong answer because I will show. Here he asked, then he asked the jail superintendent if it is true that he took only a piece of string, why you jailed him? The jail superintendent replied, please ask him what was tied with the string. The minister don't know which was tied with that string. The minister, that's why asked him, young man, was there anything tied with that piece of string? No. So he didn't ask, is the cow tied with the piece of string? He just asked that, was there anything tied with that piece of string? Then only the young man immediately replied that, sir, unfortunately, a cow was tied with. So option 1 is the absolutely correct
Sir,
answer. Yes.
option 1.
Is it justified to imprison the young man?
Sir,
Yes.
option 1, sir.
Piece of string belongs.
Option 1.
Option 1.
Option 1, sir.
We'll see.
Option 1.
Minister was the minister was sympathetic towards the young man.
Option 1.
Then he asked the jail superintendent, if it is true, it took only a piece of string, why you jailed him? Okay, this is the answer. Option 1.
1 option.
Then 1 is the absolutely correct answer. Next, the young man picked up the string because he needed it to tie his cow. He liked it very much. A cow was tied with that string. It did not belong to anyone.
Option 4. It did not belong to everyone. Option 4.
Sir, option 4, sir. Option 4.
It did.
I did not belong to anyone. Option 4,
Where
sir.
they have given? Wait. Where they
Sir,
have
option
given?
4.
The young man picked up the string because why he picked up the string? String means what? Do you understood? We'll tie to that dogs or cows. Huh? So that's why. Okay, why he picked up the string? Where they have given?
I saw a piece of string lying on the road. I took it. I picked it up and took it to home as it was not useful to anybody.
Where? I didn't see. Okay, very good answer.
Sir, I saw him.
At which
Sir,
line it's there?
I read.
Okay. When I saw a piece of string lying on the road, I picked up it and took it to home. It was not useful for anybody. Okay, very good answer. A young man picked up the string because he needed it to tie his cow. Okay, he liked it very much. A cow was tied with the string. It did not belong to anyone. Okay, very good. Answer is, what's the answer?
Sir, option 4.
Sir, option 4, sir.
I saw a piece of string lying on the road. I picked it up and took it to home. It was not useful for anybody.
Sir, option 4.
Okay, very good. Bonus
Option
you got.
4.
Very good. You picked a very
Option
absolute
4.
correct answer. Next, sir. Unfortunately, a cow was tied with that string. That reveals that prisoner was an innocent, cunning, sincere, a liar. A liar is absolutely wrong answer. Cunning also absolutely wrong answer. An innocent or sincere. What's the answer? Innocent or sincere? What's the character? Sir, unfortunately, a cow was tied.
Sincere
String. What's the character of innocent?
Option 1 and innocent.
Okay, tell me the reason why not sincere. Sincere means if we take the string, if we take that string to his home, he must return it sincerely. But he didn't return and he didn't care about him. But it doesn't mean that he is innocent also. But innocently, okay, he told innocently. Sir, unfortunately, a cow was tied with that string. That reveals that the prisoner was an innocent, sincere, cunning, or a liar. What was your answer?
Sir, option 1.
Option 1.
Actually, I didn't read this passage.
1.
I didn't read
Sir,
this
option
passage.
1.
I will see.
Option 1.
He's asking what was tied. The minister asked the young man, was there anything, a piece of string? The young man immediately said, sir, unfortunately, a cow was tied with that piece of string. The character indicates that he was innocent or sincere. Sincere means he must return it to the people. But innocent also, okay. He must be innocent. Because he don't know where to return. Okay. Option mostly one is the, in this time you have to choose like this. Okay. you have to think of your own like this, because this characterization not given in this passage. You have to think of it yourself only. Okay, in your life also you see the innocent persons, sincere persons. Okay, sincere people, what will do? They will return it to you if they take anything from you. Innocent people, they don't know, very innocent, they will feel shy to return it to you. Understood? So you have to understand the characterization. Innocent and sincerity is somewhat different. Okay, innocent means they, if they can't even able to talk with you. Understood? Somewhat what we'll call soft people. So sincere, it will not come. Okay, that's why he didn't return. That's why we have took this innocent. Unfortunately, a cow was tied with the piece of string. You don't know that. Okay. Next, oh, I will read this one time. How much? Wait, okay, now you observe carefully. Now I will ask parts of speech also. Now we'll read this passage. Five participants raised their hands. Akshara Satvika. Unmute yours. Wait, I will first of all, I will mute everyone. Akshara Satvika. Yes, you
Sir.
unmuted. Yeah, right.
Sir,
Yes, go ahead. Read this passage.
Gabali was a renowned Rudra poet.
Urdu poet. Renowned Urdu poet. Gabali was a renowned Urdu poet. Okay.
He liked mangoes very much. He was a friend did not like mangoes. On one summer day, Gilabi was sitting on the roof of his house with his friend. There was a heap mangoes peels on the roadside. In the mad time, a donkey.
In the meantime, meanwhile we'll use now. In the meantime, okay.
A donkey came here. It sniffed the mango peels and went away. This Gilabi's friend said, "Look, my dear friend, even the donkeys do not like mangoes." Gilabi smilingly said, "Yes, the donkeys do not like mangoes."
Okay, very good. I think you are reading regularly. I am seeing improvement in you. Okay, well read. Read well. Good. So you have to practice well. Day by day, you will improve a lot. You have to go on reading. Yes, I have seen improvement in you. Good. You have to go like that. Very good. I appreciate you. Okay, I will pick one person. Madhulika, tell me the answer. How many characters are there in this? What are the characters are there in this passage? What are the total
Galib.
characters? Galib and
Friend,
next, Galib's friend.
donkey,
Donkeys are speaking in this. I am asking the characters. Meanwhile, a donkey came there, it sniffed and mango peel and went away. Okay. I will take character. Okay, it's there in this. If you take one animated video, it will be get character. But in this passage, we have to take who are communicating. Those people only we have to take.
friend.
Okay, Galib and Galib's friend. Okay, this both discussion is going in between. Okay, next. Next. Yashwant Rushi. What is the main theme in this? I will ask. Wait. What is the main theme of this passage? Main idea of this passage? Yashwant Rushi.
Sir, Galib friend do not like mangoes.
Okay. Okay, they are discussing about mangoes and who will like mangoes. Some discussion is going on. Some fruits. Okay. Some conversation is going on. Some fruits and these all things. Okay. Very good. Enough. Good. I will read once. I will fastly. Next, this passage. No? Ghalib was renowned Urdu poet. Ghalib was a renowned Urdu poet. He liked mangoes very much. His friend did not like the mangoes. On one summer day, Ghalib was sitting on the roof of his house with his friend. There was a heap of mango peels on the roadside. In the meantime, a donkey came there. It sniffed the mango peel and went away. At this, Ghalib's friend said, "Look, my dear friend, even the donkeys do not like the mangoes." Ghalib smilingly said, "Yes, donkeys do not like mangoes." Okay. I will ask. Where was the... Wait, I will unmute everyone. Where was the mango peels lying? On the roof in his friend's house?
On the roadside.
Before donkey.
Option 3, sir. On the roadside.
Sir, option 3 on the road. Sir,
There was a heap of mango peels on the roadside. Okay, very good.
sir,
What was
on the
Ghalib doing with
roadside.
his friend on the roof?
On the roadside.
3, they were talking.
What was Ghalib doing with his friend on the roof?
They were talking. Option 3.
They
were talking. They were eating mangoes. They were reading poems. They were talking. They were sniffing mangoes. What was the answer? They were talking. Okay. It sniffed the mango peel and went away. So
Sir,
why not
option
fourth
3.
option? Why not fourth option is correct?
Sir, option
The
3.
donkey was sniffed the mango.
Very good. Very good answer. Okay, it sniffed the mango peel and went away. What? Who? Donkey came there and it sniffed the mango peel and went away. Okay, you have to know the reason why this is not correct. Why these three options are not correct. If you choose like that also, if you have time, you can do. When you will get time, if you read fastly, if you read speedily, if you understand speedily. Okay, fast, faster, fastest. This superlative, comparative, superlative. Okay, if you are faster, you can choose why these three options are wrong. You can understand. You can ask yourself why these are not correct. Okay, okay, good. Yeah, got it. Next, look. Even the donkey do not like mangoes. Here, donkey means a foolish animal.
A foolish animal. Option 1.
Sir, option 1, sir.
Look, my dear friend, even the donkey do not like mangoes.
Sir, option 1.
A foolish animal.
And beast, yes, a foolish animal. Yes, good,
Foolish
good.
animal.
A foolish animal.
A foolish animal. Option 1. Foolish animal, sir. Option
Sir, a foolish animal. Option 1.
Okay.
A
Next
foolish
question.
animal.
What
A
was the
foolish
mango?
animal.
Where was the
Option 1.
mango? Where was the mango lying? The heap of mango on the roadside. Okay.
On the roadside, sir. Option
Yes,
2.
very good. Yes, donkey do not like mangoes. It means animals do not like mangoes. Wise people do not like mangoes. Foolish people do not like mangoes. Poets.
Foolish people do not like mangoes.
Foolish people do not like mangoes.
So, while reading this passage, you will get to understand.
Foolish
You will
people
get
do
to know
not
that-
like mangoes. Option
Okay. While reading these
3,
beautiful
sir.
passages, you are getting to know that what is meant by foolish people, what is meant by yes, yes, yes. Next, what is meant by this cunning people, great people, and all these characterizations you are improving. Okay, okay. Next, the suitable title for the story is Ghalib loves.
Ghalib's love for mangoes. Option 3. Ghalib's love for mangoes.
Sir, option 3.
Sir.
Sir, option 3.
Ghalib's love for mangoes.
Sir, option 3,
Very
sir.
good. Option 3 is absolutely correct answer because
Sir, option 3, sir.
he shows Ghalib smiley said that yes, the donkeys do not like mangoes. Okay. He like mangoes very much. Very good. Next passage. What was the time? Okay, I will
The
read it.
famous Hindi poet Neera Allah was going in a rickshaw short while ago. He got a reward of 1,000 rupees for his poetry. He saw by the roadside a woman.
One day, famous
Beggar.
Hindi poet
He stopped
Nirmal was
his
going
rickshaw
a auto
and
rickshaw
went to
short
her
ago,
and asked her,
got a reward
"How
of
much
1,000
did you
rupees. It
get
is
out
brought a
of
tea.
begging
He saw the
today?"
roadside woman
My
beggar.
son,
Stopped
I
his
did not get
rickshaw,
anything
went
since
near
One day
and
the
asked
famous
him,
Hindi poet
"How much
Nirala was
did
going.
you get your beggar today, my son?" He did not get anything since morning, replied the beggar woman. Nirmala began
Okay,
to
okay.
take
Who are
the
reading in their mind? Who are reading in their mind? Fastly. Someone are not reading. You go ahead. Okay, read yourself fastly. Fast. Fast, fast.
Suppose I give you 10 rupees, then Nirmal. So finish.
Okay, we'll take this passage tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will go with this. Wait.
I will say.
Sir, can I read?
Can I read?
1 minute. 1 minute. Fastly. Okay, I will come with this. Meanwhile, I will complete this. I want to complete this many 20 questions. From question 46 to 60, part of the square is given on the left hand side and the other part is given on right hand side. Along with these three parts, you have to find the part of the square. Square you have to highlight here. Why no highlight not complete? Of the square you have to highlight. Of the square from the answer given on the right hand side, which completes the square with the figure on left hand side, encircle the number below. Okay, I will unmute everyone. Now you can, who will tell fastly, I will see them. So in this they are given already fourth answer.
Option 4.
Option 4, sir. Option 4. Option 4. Option 4.
Yes, option 4. So what's this answer?
Option 2.
Who will tell fastly?
Option 2. Sir, option 2.
Sir,
Okay,
option
two
2,
is
sir.
absolutely correct answer.
Sir,
Very good.
option 2.
Next, part 7, fastly. We need to complete 20 questions in 10 minutes. For this, you have to draw. Someone are drawing squares like this. You should not draw like that. Understood? If this,
Sir,
you have to
option
make this
3.
square.
Option 3.
Sir,
Properties of
option 3.
square.
Option 3.
Every
Option
angle must be
option
90
Sir,
degrees.
option 3. Sir, option 3.
Option 3.
Option 3.
Option 3.
This square not
Option 3.
What was the answer?
Sir, 48 1.
Sir, option 3.
Option 3, sir.
3, sir.
Sir,
Option 3 is absolutely correct answer. Very good, children. You are fast. Okay. Next, 48th one.
Sir, option 1.
Sir, option 1,
Option
sir.
1. Option 1. Some water.
2.
Wait.
Sir,
This square is somewhat smaller. This square must go here till this. That's why see once again. I am filling.
option 2.
Option 2 is the absolutely correct
Sir,
answer.
2, sir.
You see this square, this
Option
triangle,
2.
triangle. Okay, option 2 is the correct answer. It's 49. 49. 49.
Option 4, sir. Sir, option 4. Sir, 4. Sir, option 4.
Wait. Why not 1?
Sir, option 4. Option 2.
Why not 1?
Sir, 1.
Here, see this much, this size.
Sir, that is below.
You should not see like this. Those all things. They told that you have to fill the square. That's the your aim. You should not see it is like this. You should not see the rotations. Understood? Same rotation not needed. You have to rotate all. You have to rotate 360 degrees. Understood? Then not 360, 180 degrees rotation required. Means you have to rotate every side and you have to see. Understood? This why not 4 I will tell. See, why not 4 means this was somewhat thinner, and this height also you can check it.
Sir, option 1.
One also somewhat different. Wait, we'll see which one. 2 won't come.
Is this line is bigger?
Here also somewhat see.
Sir, option 1.
But listen. In the exam hall, they won't give this much similar figures. Wait a minute. Wait, everyone, wait a minute. In the exam hall, they won't give this type of similar ones. These 2 and 4 somewhat similar there, na? 2 and 4, 1 also somewhat. They won't give this type of similar problems. These all questions are made by outside publication peoples. Those officials didn't release that question papers. You no need to worry these type of questions, but you have to see somewhat. In exam hall, they will give accurate ones. Okay, accurate figure. So answer is actually you can compare this also. This triangle you can take this triangle.
This one is
Small triangle we need. Okay?
Answer is
But one if you take this one is larger.
option 4 is option
3 absolutely wrong answer. 4 also somewhat wrong. 2 also won't come. See, this triangle is smaller, no? Option 1 or 4. What you will choose? 4 also won't come because
Sir, option 4. Sir, 1, sir. Sir, option 4. Option 4.
Shall we fix it? But here this one, see, this one is somewhat thinner, this one is larger. So that's why in the exam hall they won't give this type of different one. They will give accurate answered solution. So you no need to worry about these all questions. Okay. Option 1 also won't come because this is this length is higher than this one. So no need to worry about this type of questions. You can pick 4th also. 1 also somewhat. 1 won't come similar. 4 also won't come absolutely because length, breadth. Okay. Okay. 4 somewhat similar. In this 4 will come. 1 also somewhat, but it's not absolutely wrong answer. Second won't come because it needs some more extra one like this. 3 it also need like this. Understood? It need like this one. Understood? 3 also 2 and 4 are absolutely wrong answer. That doesn't mean first and second are absolutely correct answer. They are didn't match it that much perfectly. Have you understood? Are you agree? If you agree, you type C. Type C in this. Agree? Yeah. Type A in the chat board. Firstly. If you agree with my answer, you type A. 1 or 2, 1 and 4 also not that much perfect figures. If you agree, you type A. Okay, right. We'll go. These both doesn't mean that second and 4 are absolutely wrong answer. Okay? Second and 4 also not correct answer. Absolutely wrong answer. Second and 4. Okay. Next 50th one. See, we need to draw square.
option 2. Option 2.
It will enlarge.
Option 2. Sir, option 2.
Very good.
Option 2.
Very good. Good children. Absolutely 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Next one. 50th to 51st. Firstly, I need to draw square here. Like this. Means it must be straight to here.
Option 2.
Everyone in the class, first tell me the properties of square. Tell me the properties of square. Tell me the properties of square. Everyone in the class. Square has all sides are equal. Every angle is 90 degrees. Every angle is 90 degree.
90 degrees.
All angles are
Every
equal.
angle is 90 degrees.
and all
All
angles
sides are equal.
And
All angles are equal.
All
And
sides
one more
are
equal.
equal. All angles are 90 degrees.
One more.
four.
All sides are equal. All angles are equal. Next one.